In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a real mobile keyboard in Figma. Start by opening Figma and heading to the community. This is your built-in library of resources shared by designers around the world. And it's the fastest way to get a polished, realistic keyboard without building every key from scratch. If you are aiming for a professional look or a functional component you can drop right into your design, the community has plenty of plug-and-play options that are already structured for real projects. Use the search bar at the top and type Mobile Prototype Keyboard. You'll see starter kits for iOS and Android, along with variations like minimalist or skeuomorphic styles. Take a moment to scan the thumbnails and read the descriptions. Look for files that mention components, variants, and interactions. These clues tell you the keyboard is more than just a static image, it's layered correctly, with buttons, shadows, states, and pre-wired behaviors that will save you time later. Click an option that matches your app's style to open it. Inside the file, explore the pages and layers to understand how it's organized. Many of these keyboards come as components with variants for letters, numbers, symbols, and sometimes light or dark appearances. This thoughtful setup helps you stay consistent while you customize. When you are ready, copy the keyboard frame or component and paste it into your own Figma file. If it's a component, you can place an instance and keep the original for easy updates or detach it if you need deeper edits. Position it on your mobile screen frame where the system keyboard would normally appear, so your prototype feels natural right away. Now tailor it to your product. Adjust colors and typography to match your brand styles. Add or remove keys you need for your specific flow, like a custom action button. Tweak spacing, corner radii, and shadows for visual clarity. If the file includes interactions, open them and refine timings and transitions so taps feel crisp and responsive. Set up light and dark modes if they're available, aligning them with your app's themes for a seamless experience. Finally, switch to prototype mode and test it. Click through the keys to make sure hit areas feel comfortable and that the visual feedback like pressed states communicates clearly. Check behavior across variants, confirm navigation flows still work as expected, and make iterative refinements until typing feels natural within your mockup. That's it. Thanks for watching.